Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use confirmation boxes in JavaScript. First, let's type here script and close tag script, then function confirm, and then bar chosen equals confirm, then do you want to continue, and then if chosen equals true, then alert you chose okay, and then else alert you choose cancel. Then go at the bottom of the script, then type input, type button value, click me, and then on click confirm, then save it as confirm.html, and then let's run Google Chrome, and when you click, the confirmation box will appear. Let's see. Click, do you want to continue? If you click OK, you choose OK. Next, if you click cancel, you choose cancel. And it's working, guys. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.